guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a Hyundai iLoad 2010 model. Just going to show you guys on how to take it out. First off, this bit here has to come up first, so using a trimming tool. Get in, I've already done it, but just get in there and this should pop off quite easily. If you've got a manual, obviously you won't be able to take it fully out. If you're automatic, you can actually take it out, but because of a manual, you've got that lever sort of strap around it. Just sort of take it out so it exposes the screws. We've got all the screws here, here, and there. So just so you can get those exposed. Next up is just using a screwdriver, obviously, and just taking out those screws. So once all the screws are off, sort of gently lift these up. Yeah, just gently take it out. These cables at the back of it. So once all the plugs are unplugged, just take it out and see there. Put this to the side, and now you can attack the old head unit. So again, using screws, using a screwdriver. Sorry, just take it out one. Gently take it out, expose the back, take out the antenna, and press a little tag to take out the power. There you have it. So now, so it's easy to get here, so just put this to the side. So this is our new harness for this one, just to make sure it matches. It does. So each iLoad comes for like a different, like they've got different cables. Depends on the changeover here, but we've got a special cable that fits all. So now from here, you just want to go ahead and get the head unit to press the power to it. So here's the head unit there, here's the head unit, new one. So just push in the cable, power cable, and also the antenna. So just turn on accessories to the car, see there's power. Obviously there's power to the head unit, which is good. Just sort of boots itself up. There you have it. So it's a good sign the head unit's working. So now head unit's out. Just gonna show you guys on how. So you need to put this back, so the head unit will actually like sort of hook onto this. I will say you will lose this bit here. It's out and covers it. Just sort of gently keep those cables here. So there. And make sure all the cables are connected at the back. Just keep going. Until everything sort of clicks in. As you can see there. Now I'm just going to show you guys on the head unit on where each cable goes. Just going to show you guys where each cable goes. So here you got your GPS, and here you got your Wi-Fi. So I'll quickly show you guys. GPS and Wi-Fi are actually screws on. So Wi-Fi goes here, screw it on. GPS is the same principle. Same principle with GPS, and then you've got your reverse camera, which is this one here. Just match it to one that's right. So there you have it. And then you've got your USB retention cable. This one also just match it to one that's correct. And then that's all connected up. So now that everything's sort of put in, just sort of obviously run these back. Ideally these will be sticking, these things here will be sticking like that towards the back, or you can stick on to the back of the head unit, whichever you prefer. I won't stick it on, but we sort of like that towards the head unit, just connect it up. Again, antenna. And then it does take a little bit to hit it right. There we go. strip in that way. Just that's it. No, I just need to So now it's all installed. Just turn on the car. Turn on the accessory, sorry, just give it a few seconds to sort of wake up. Once it's up, I'll show you guys like the features. We connect it to Bluetooth and that. So if you go Bluetooth, sorry, go back again, do it for Apple CarPlay. Bluetooth, press the magnifying glass, just give it a second. Obviously that's my phone. So just connecting, you select it, then on the phone should get Vhedia BT, then the pin would be 40, so like 000. Now stay on your settings on the phone and then go onto speed play on the head unit. So here will ask you, do you want to use speed play on your phone? So use CarPlay, yes. And then on here, it should come up with your Apple CarPlay, like so. But now your phone is connected up to it. You can get your maps and be ready to go. And there you have it, guys. So this is the brand new Hyundai iLoad 2010. Looks pretty fancy. Just gonna show you quickly from the side. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe and join us for another video soon. Thank you.